Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make secret kiss cookies. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and you want that softened to room temperature. Then you need a 1/4 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 24 to 28 Hershey Kisses. It just depends on how much dough you have. And then you need 2/3 cup of confectioner sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking cocoa. And that's it. So we are going to go ahead and get started. In a large bowl, we're going to cream together our butter, sugar, and vanilla until light and fluffy. Alright, that looks pretty well mixed to me. So next we are going to gradually add in our flour and mix it just a little at a time. Alright, my flour is all incorporated. I did do this with my electric mixer and then a spatula and then the rest by hand. You just want to make sure that all of your dough ball is incorporated. So next I'm going to take this out and put it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Alright, my dough ball is all wrapped and it's ready to go into the fridge for 1 hour. Alright, it's almost time to get my dough out of the refrigerator, so I got everything ready. I have a cooling rack up here, I have a parchment lined baking sheet, I unwrapped my Hershey Kisses, and then I have half of my powdered sugar in one bowl, the other half of my powdered sugar mixed with my cocoa in the other bowl. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my dough out of the refrigerator, but first I'm going to preheat my oven to 375. Alright, I pinched all of my dough off. I mean, it does not have to be in balls. You just want to make sure you have enough and make sure that your sizes are right. So these two I have done already. You basically just work your dough around your Hershey Kiss. So you can see my Hershey Kiss is completely covered, and then just put it on a parchment lined baking sheet. So I was able to get 26 out of the dough that I made. So I'm going to go ahead and finish all these up and just leave a little room in between each one, but they're not going to really puff up much. Alright, all my secret kiss cookies are ready to go into the oven, and I am not going to lie, that took a while to wrap all of those. So, I mean, if you double this recipe, good luck. So let's go ahead and get these into the oven for 12 minutes. Alright, my cookies just came out of the oven, and I am going to let them cool for about a minute, and then I'm going to transfer them to my cooling rack. But you want to roll them in the powdered sugar and the cocoa before they cool completely. Alright, my cookies have all been rolled in the cocoa and the powdered sugar. So now we're going to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, like, subscribe.
Bye. Bye.